wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. Let's talk about some of the latest makeup launches that are coming out. Let's go. Now, am I behind on reviewing new launches? Yes, I see your requests. I've written them down. Y'all already know I got a lot going on right now, but I'm gonna get there. I've seen a lot of Barbie collaborations. I know the movie's coming out, but I mean Barbie collaborations with clothing, with makeup, with like, okay, we get it. We get it. Where were all the little mermaid? You know what? Okay. Available now. Barbie has collabed with Moon. Okay, it looks like it's a toothbrush. It includes a pink electric toothbrush for $79.99, bubble mint whitening toothpaste for $12.99, and head refill packs of 2 for $16.99. I'm not even going to lie. Yeah, I would buy that because it's pink. Yeah, I'm a simple girl. If it's cute, I like it. I'm gonna buy it. Will I buy it? I don't know what Moon is. I've never heard of the brand before. Even the toothpaste has me interested, and again, it's because it's pink. So if I pop up with this, mind your business. Thank you. Okay. At this point, you remember back in the day, it'd be like, it's not this type of video if there's not a ColourPop collaboration. At this point, it's not this type of video if there's not a Disney collaboration, because Disney has collaborated with Mooncat on an Alice in Wonderland collaboration. It looks like nail polish. Yeah, I just saw a comment that said I can finally unfollow this page because new releases are so effing boring and lame on that Alice in Wonderland collaboration. I mean, they're really boring. Okay, Barbie has also, I did see this, has collaborated with NYX Cosmetics. The collaboration includes a mini palette, Barbie mini cheek palette, Barbie butter gloss, Barbie smooth whip, Barbie flip phone mirror. Okay, the mirror is kind of cute, not gonna lie. Barbie jumbo lash, Barbie jumbo eye pencil kit. I'm so serious when I say the only thing I'd be interested in is the mirror. It's cute. Okay, there's a new beauty brand from Sofia Vergara. Sun damage is really what I want to do with the line. The line is supposed to protect and also restore. So they're coming out with a CC cream SPF 50. Retails for $42. Full coverage foundation, daily sunscreen for face, imperfection corrector, dark spots concealer, 15 shades. And a CC creamy compact SPF 50 retails for $54. Natural coverage, daily sunscreen, 15 shades. You see the shades? Yeah. Oh, baby. Absolutely, I'm getting this. Revealed new fragrance from Kayali, the wedding collection. So the first one is the Wedding Silk Santal. It's $27 for the mini, $100. I don't think that's full size anymore. I think is it full size anymore? Because it used to be like $118, $100, then like $27, but it's $100 for 50 milliliters. And then the other one that is also coming out is the Wedding Velvet Santal, which is same pricing, but keynotes in that one are white musk, cedarwood, sandalwood. I'm absolutely getting both. You already know what it is when it comes to Kayali. They launch a fragrance, I buy it. If I like the smell, I'll figure that out once I actually receive it, but I've got that much trust in them that I blind buy their fragrances. All right, that person wasn't lying when they said these new launches. Yikes. Okay, new shades. Oh, it's just new shades from Rem Beauty. Plumping lip glosses infused with passion fruit and apricot oils, shimmering shades, hydrate lips. I don't remember much when I tried Rem Beauty, but I do remember that the gloss was nice. Nice enough for me to be interested in this? No. But the gloss that I tried was nice. Do I still have it? I also think no. Actually, maybe no. Okay, new, I feel a sneeze coming. New Cosmic Crush collection from Too Faced. Cosmic Crush eyeshadow palette. High pigment futuristic shades retails for $52. The Moon Crush, which I'm assuming is either this, it's a highlighter, is $36. They've got a plump lip gloss, which they're lip glossing, the plumping lip gloss Yeah. Retails for $33. Will I pick up anything from this collection? Probably not. Oh, what is this? Available now from Trader Joe's. Brazil Nut Collection, run before it's gone. There's a candle, body wash, body butter, and a body scrub. Oh, I need to take a trip on over to Trader Joe's because, excuse me. Oh, I'm definitely going to check this out. What? Absolutely, yeah. I'm going to check it out. Will I like it? I don't know. But I'll let y'all know. New Novelty #1 Luminous Peptide Serum Illuminate and Plump from Versali. So they're launching new stuff again. A hydrating peptide serum enriched with micro droplets of illuminating pigments that delicately melts on skin, invoking a luminous glow filter lightweight formula. Not only hydrates and plumps, but is also fortified with a potent anti-pollution peptide complex. Retails for $59. I can't even really see the bottle. From what I hear, I don't know. I might have to look a little more into it, but I'm not fully sold. New Faux Filter Color Corrector from Huda Beauty. A creamy, comfortable, and sheer formula. Blends seamlessly, but have enough impact to correct any discoloration and even the under eye and any complexion concerns. Derived from the concealer formula. Retails for $29 dual hairs. Now, I was a little intrigued before I heard derived from the concealer formula. I'm not really the biggest fan of the concealer. It's not that there's anything wrong with it, but y'all already know when it comes to me. And concealer... But I'm still intrigued to try this. I still want to. I might. Okay. I was a little confused for a second, but available now. There are more to the Putty Primer family. New Putty Color Correcting Eye Brightener. Baby, when I tell you e.l.f. gonna dupe a brain because how quickly they are launching next to each other would suggest that e.l.f. didn't, get this idea from NARS because NARS also just came out with theirs. But also, you never know. Like, sometimes they be putting in that overtime to get things out quickly. But you guys know NARS did just come out with a pot eye brightener. And now e.l.f. has one for 6 dual hairs. Yeah, I tried this. Actually, now I kind of think maybe I should try that in a video compared to the NARS one. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. But yeah, I'm intrigued. I'm interested. Available now in Europe. New Halo Healthy Glow 4-in-1 Perfecting Pen from Smashbox. Retails for €34. A 4-in-1 clickable pen with 24-hour wear all day hydration and instant radiance for easily concealing, highlighting, contouring, and correcting. No, I usually don't like this type of mechanism for concealer. I don't like the pens. I don't really like it, so no. Yes, I have seen y'all commenting in my comment asking me if I'm going to review this. Yes, I am. Like I said, I'm really backed up right now when it comes to creating content. It is the Yummy Skin Soothing Serum Skin Tint Foundation with peptides and ceramides. Retails for $36. A hydrating and smoothing skincare infused skin tint that provides light coverage and a skin-like radiant finish. 16 shades. Yes, I'm going to try this. I'm kind of intrigued to see what's the difference between this, the Yummy Skin Glow Primer, and then the foundation. Because the primer, it was already giving pretty much skin tint. So I'm excited to try this and also see how it mixes with the other products that I mentioned. So yes, I will be trying that. Hard Candy. Talk about a brand that I have not heard about in a good minute. I didn't even know they were still launching this, for being completely honest. But available now, their new Glosstopia Lip Repair Oil. Revitalizes lips with an intensely hydrating formula and shine with a plush doe foot applicator, vitamin E, and jojoba oil to keep lips cushioned, soft, and moisturized, smooth finish, never sticky. I don't see a price on here though. Packaging is very cute. It's Hard Candy, so I'm thinking more on the affordable side. I would try at least one of these. The clear one, maybe one of the more nudie lip shades. Yeah, I'll try this. I don't know. Oh, $8. Just can't read. $8? Yeah, I'd try it. What is this? Available now, a collab between Boy Smells and Magnolia Bakery, a banana pudding candle. They almost had me when I saw the candle. I was like, oh, because I don't know if you guys have seen people talk about this Boy Smells, but I've seen a lot of talk about it, especially on TikTok lately, but they don't have it in the Sephora near me for me to go smell it. But it's available at Sephora, right? Something like that. A banana pudding candle though. A banana. It retails for $48. Notes are banana, jasmine petals. I don't think I want my place smelling like banana pudding. I like me some banana pudding, which kind of unrelated, but y'all be slandering banana pudding, and it's just giving like, you know, you're not eating the right banana pudding, because that is. But y'all eat butter pecan ice cream. Yeah, that was shots. Okay, available now in Walmart stores, a fun collab between Scent Theory and Crayola, the Scent of Color Hand Soap Collection. Oh, it looks cute. So basically it's hand soap, and I guess, oh, the different colors have different scents. Sunset orange is oranges and golden vanilla. Cherry red is cherries and tonka bean. Purple heart is plums and candied violets. I would I probably will get one of these. I don't know if I would leave it in the container just because I don't. But yeah, I probably will check these out. Okay, in stores, Target, the new liquid poreless putty primer. So y'all know the loved putty primer. It comes in a liquid. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but Tasha did that. The silk canvas that they had in the y'all know what I'm talking about. The original formula, later on they did go on to make it a liquid version of that. I didn't like the liquid version of that. I preferred the original. So I'm trying this one out, see how I like it compared to the putty primer. Is there a price on here? It says coming soon on their website and retailers. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Okay, new Glazing Milk, the Essential Prep Layer from Rhode, which is the brand by Justin Bieber's wife. What's her name? Hailey Bieber. A nutrient-rich, lightweight essence that boosts barrier function and provides immediate luminous hydration. Hailey's essential, oh, her name was in the description. Essential prep step to calm skin and begin the Rhode routine. Retails for $29 dual hairs. I never tried anything from this brand. I've never really heard anything as far as like other people's thoughts on this brand. But I like skincare and I like me an essence. So, you know, depending if I go look to see what people say about this brand, I might check it out. Damn, they do these Alice in Wonderland collabs like they need to keep the lights on, because there's another Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland collaboration. It's an eyeshadow palette, a hand mirror, a blush palette, lip and cheek colors, headband, sponge duo, brush set, glosses. Okay, I got a question. Who are these brands targeting at this point? Like with these Disney collaborations, little cutesy headbands and the sponge duos and stuff like that, it's starting to give Claire's. And you know, Claire's makeup, that's what they say. They use the you know, oh, I buy that for my granddaughter and whatnot for Christmas, stuff like that, so she can play in makeup. Or I buy it for my teenager, so I don't have to buy her, you know, Danessa Myricks while she starts to learn how to do her makeup. That's what it's giving. Can adults, you know, like Alice in Wonderland and all that stuff? Yes. But like the overall marketing of this is starting to give, they have changed their demographic of who they want to appeal to. Like especially the stores that you can find in the aisle in the grocery store, stuff like that. It's giving, you know, this is to appeal, you know, the little kitty who's sitting in the cart, like, ooh, well, at that age, I don't think you can sit in the cart anywhere, but you know what I mean. That's just what it's starting to give, because I see a new launch here from Benefit. Did y'all hear about Benefit? It's just, some of these brands, you've been in the game way too long for y'all to still be going through some of the issues that you're going through, because there's a thing going on TikTok where I guess they did a sponsored post with a TikToker, and in her video, she's, I guess, doing a video on brow products. And she starts doing the video and then she goes, you know, so that your brows don't end up looking like this. And she like pans over to a random girl. It's a picture of a random girl in her video. And she's, you know, pointing out the girl's eyebrows in the video. And basically, you know, which, yeah, throughout the years, people have done those type of videos, like what you should and what you shouldn't do when it comes to makeup. I have done those before, but I don't like actually including people's faces, or I like using examples where it is intentionally done that way. Like an influencer or whoever or makeup artist will intentionally show a brow how they don't believe the brow is supposed to look, and then show how it is supposed to look. I don't like I'm not gonna see Beyonce's face and say that's her eyebrows and it shouldn't look like that type of stuff, because it's mean, right? So this girl in her sponsored post pans over to this girl and basically says how the girl's eyebrows look in that picture is not how you want your brows to look. And then I'm assuming she goes on to use the Benefit Brow products to, show how it is supposed to look, right? Do you hear why there's a problem with what I just said? Especially if you know like how many steps and processes it goes through for a sponsored post to actually go live, like how many people look at it, how many just thoughts have to go through your mind. And no one thought maybe we should not post some random girl in her sponsored ad and pretty much insulting her and then post it online, because the girl posted it and then Benefit, I guess, reposted it, stuff like that. And of course the video got back to the girl in the video, and she was like, first of all, how'd you even find that picture? That picture is from, I think she said 2019. And like, I was minding my business. Next thing you know, I'm being posted up and this is how you're not supposed to do your makeup. Like, there's just so much wrong with that. The throwing in the random stranger. And again, because it is a sponsored post, which means it is now an ad, you are using that girl's face in your advertisement and she has no idea who you are. Do you see all the problems with that? And again, for it to be Benefit Cosmetics, you've been around too long for this to be something that you're going through in 2023. But you know what? I'm on my business. You know what? The last thing I want to talk about, available now from Tree Hut, their Ocean Glow collection, rejuvenates skin and brings feelings of serenity and renewal with marine-inspired notes of mugshot, apricot, and tropical seas. Includes $10.49 each for a sparkling gel wash, a whipped shea body butter, and a shea body scrub. I like Tree Hut's scrubs and their body wash. I would have to smell this to see if I want this actual collection. From the description of it, I'm kind of intrigued, but I'd have to smell it in real life to see if I want it, but I'm intrigued. Okay, y'all, so I feel like the takeaway of today's video is that comment that I saw was correct. These launches are not giving. It is the summer, so we're transitioning, brands may be trying to get it together and stuff like that, but for right now, these launches aren't doing it. I did see a couple in here that I'm like, yeah, the e.l.f. liquid putty, Danessa, I think there were a couple of things that I might have said, yeah, I'm gonna do a video on. The e.l.f. brightener. e.l.f. be keeping y'all on your toes. But other than that, yeah. Let me know if there are any other launches that I did not talk about in today's video that you would like to see. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.